the second game between Barangay San Juan and Barangay DSP. The semifinals game one for the best of 3 series. Helova, triple ball, looking for the lead, regarded by Daruela. Helova to jersey number 7, fires for 3. Fair ball, Daruela for the rebound. Daruela on the traffic, 2 guys in lead. To De La Torre, to Woman, no! Jersey number 7, Bastoy, Lupa. Fires, no! De La Torre, pass to Daruela. Daruela, attacking by Araiza. And Lucena going out of bounds. Helova, triple ball, looking for Vinny. Pass to Araiza. Atake Robinal. Hilira. Shot clock 5. No. 6 on for the rebound. Pass to De La Torre. To Daruela. Atake Robinal. No. Sits on. Penalty na rin. Sits on out of 15-foot lane. First second basket, second propulsion play. The score 19-0. With a score of 20-19, 1 point lead from Barangay San Juan, James P. Baramata. And Lucena going out of bounds. De La Torre pass to Simpson. Play whistle. Committed by jersey number 10. Blocking foul. Jersey number 10, second personal foul. Remaining time 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Sits on a 15-foot lane, first attempt basket, second throw, ball and play. Substitution. Complete 2 points by Simpson. Subong. Pass to jersey number 19. Back to Subong. To jersey number 18. One dribble and a tip. No. De La Torre dribbling on the run. De La Torre to Simpson. Simpson, pass to Daruela. Daruela, back to Simpson. Shot clock 14, my whistle. Committed by jersey number 77. Third personal foul. Substitution. Sits on the 15-foot lane versus net basket. Second row ball start play. Basket for 2 points by Sitson. With a score of 24-19 in favor of Barangay San Juan. Araiza. Oh, beats it foul. Jersey number 17. Sitson fires now. Sitson again, the second opportunity. No. Jersey number 10 for the rebound pass to jersey number 1 to Subong. Subong dribble ball pass to jersey number 18. Jersey number 19 turn around and lost the end zone. And intercept by Omen. Intercept again. Iloma. No. No again. No again. Save the ball by jersey number 12. Rizal. Jersey number Hospal rep. Jersey number 17. Araiza. Fourth personal foul. Last one na lang. Moving out the 15-foot lane versus the Nova Scotia second throw balls are playing. 44 seconds remaining time. 44.6 seconds. Seconds. 35. 31.2 seconds. Jersey number 10, crucial foul. Third personal foul by jersey number 10. Villarreal. Doruela on the 15-foot lane. First attempt to basket, second throw balls are playing. Remaining time 31.2 seconds. Shot clock 13, 15. 13.9 seconds. 13.9 seconds. 10. 5. The second quarter. And on the second quarter with a score of 27-19 and we were a Barangay San Juan. Third game, 30 under, Barangay 3 versus Barangay Pandan. the semifinals. Game 1 man sa 30. Best of 3 series man na yun. With a score of 27-19 in favor of Barangay San Juan. This is the semifinals, Game 1. Back to the quarter for the third quarter game. This is the semifinals, Game 1. Subong, pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, dribble ball to Subong. Shot clock 10. No. Movement for the Sky High. Rebound. Pass to Sitson. Sitson to Tina Torreto. Daruela. No. Sitson is there. No again. Sitson again. Gets the basket at may kasama pang foul. Jersey number 27 for illegal use of hands. Jersey number 27, La Chica for personal foul. Moving on the 15-foot lane for the bonus node, the 3 points opportunity. Complete 3 points by Sitson. Jersey number 10. Shot clock 10. Acrobatic no basket. Last by jersey number 7. Daruela. Intercept. By whistle. Jersey number 17. Homan. Substitution. Jersey number 77, number 3, so strong. Sitson for the rebound, Sitson. High whistle. Jersey number 27 for the rebound, Silander. Jersey number 27, 5 fouls ka na. Daruela, dribble ball, looking for Pinig by Daruela. Daruela, pass to Homan. Dramatic violation. Sabret. Next to pass, shot at 14. Pick up the ball by Sitson. Sitson, pass to Daruela, Daruela. No basket. Jersey number 7, dribble ball, long ball. May whistle. Substitution. First personal foul. Jersey Grant calls for 3. No! Sitson for the Sky rebound. Sitson. Pass to De La Torre. De La Torre. To Sitson. Sitson. Paglipaan. On the coming cross to the 7 minutes and 19 seconds remaining time on the third quarter game. De La Torre. Stop and attack. Short. Intercept. 2 ball, 3 ball. Substitution. Sakibal, looking for winning pass to Jersey Grant. Villalba set to play. Villalba. Shot number 14. Shot clock 10. Intercept. Intercept by Miguel Pass to De La Torre. De La Torre. And lost the 3 ball. And turnover by whistle. Jersey number 71. Sub. Jersey number 2, dribble ball from the bar. Pastor Raisa back to the bar and the rebound now. Darwella for the rebound, dribbling on the run. Darwella taking by Raisa. Ulo pa na basket. Woman. Bagi naman. Basket. Go! Foul committed by Jersey number 20. 5 minutes and 49 seconds. Third personal foul by Darwella. Castillo, another stick on the lane. Sitson. Basket for the points by Lupa. Jersey number 1 pass to Sitson. Sitson pass to the Ruben. No. Foul. Committed by Jersey number 7. Pushing foul. Second personal foul by Sitson. by jersey number 10. Fourth personal foul. No basket by Dorwela. Jersey number 10. To Castilla. Basket for the boys. Timeout Barangay San Juan, remaining time 4 minutes and 55 seconds with a score of 32-23. And viewer of Barangay San Juan. Back to the fourth round for the third quarter game between Barangay San Juan and Barangay DSP 15 under. Remaining time 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Simpson. Simpson out of it. Intercept by Castillo. Foul, jersey number 7, pushing foul. Final, third personal foul by Simpson. Si Simpson, tatlo na. Jersey number 1 and lost the dribble. Releva. While whistle. Jersey number 2. Dorwela, second personal foul. Levado 15.9% basket, C control balls in play. Complete 2 points. Dorwela, dribble ball, by whistle. Committed by jersey number 4. Second personal foul. One foul to give a penalty. No. Dorwela again. The second opportunity by Dorwela. The pass for Dorwela. Dorwela, no. Woman is on board the football. Fakliba, the ball looking for Pinay by Fakliba. Pass for 3. No. Movement for the rebound. Movement to De La Torre. De La Torre. Pass to the wrong man. Three minutes and 39 seconds remaining time. Hiluma. Side step. No. La Torre, dribble ball, looking for play by De La Torre. Intercept. Castella. Easy, 2 points. De La Torre pass to Doruela. Doruela dribble ball. To the Doruela. Doruela fires for 3. Response! No! Jersey number 4, pass to Araiza. Araiza. Now whistle. Committed by jersey number 71. Third personal foul by De La Torre. Penalty na rin. First attempt by Araiza basket, second throw balls in play. Remaining time 2 minutes and 38 seconds for the third quarter game. Sub. Doruela, pass to Alpinay. Alpinay lost the dribble and intercept by jersey number 10, pass to jersey number 2, Pakliban. Pakliban. Pass to Iloba. Iloba. Basket for 2 points. De La Torre. Intercept again by Castillo. Intercept by Doruela. Doruela. Pass to De La Torre. Pass to Roman. Basket for 2 points. One minute and 55 seconds remaining time. Retaken by whistle. Committed by jersey number 20. Doruela, fourth personal foul. 1 minute and 49 seconds remaining time. Iloba on the 15-foot lane. First attempt basket, second throw balls in play. Rebound by Simpson, pass to De La Torre. De La Torre back to Simpson. Simpson to Doruela. Doruela attacking by Araiza. Basket for 2 points by Doruela. Turn around and pass to Iloba. Iloba. No. Double foul. Foul. Double foul. Jersey number 4, Castillo from DSP. Jersey number 17, Owen. Double foul. Posisyon Arroyas ang barangay DSP Bulang. Basket. One minute and 4 seconds. De La Torre. 55 segundos. Shot clock time. 45 segundos. 40. 35. 30. Traveling violation by the size. 26.3 seconds. 20. 18.6 seconds. 18.6 seconds. 15. 10. 5. And on the third quarter, with a score of 43, 34, and 3 of Barangay San Juan.